Hello to anyone who's watching this. This is my day 2 of trading with a demo account. My history, I lost twice and then I stopped because I want to stop when I, lose twice already for the day. My first loss was a buy on gold. I lost $68.55, as you can see here. I mapped it out in TradingView. This is where I lost. Which is essentially a mistake I made because we are actually consolidating. As you can see, it went up and then went down the EMA, and then went up and then went down the EMA. Just kept on consolidating. So I shouldn't have taken this trade. But what I did without the EMA is I put on the resistance because it kept resisting here, and then another one over here, which is of course also resisting this part here, or what we call support. So we got support and resistance, and there's the 1 hour demand. I refined it to the 15-minute right there. I only refined it up to 15-minute. And let's check my trade and what happened. So it tapped out. I lost the trade. I entered around 1742. Jeez, we can smooth a little right there. So it hits 742, bam, this candle right here, and then it hit my stop loss. So that's one of the mistakes I did, is that of course you gotta put this over the stop loss. And basically on the lower time frame, what I saw was this aggressive pull down. So we got a break of structure, aggressive pull down. So this will be a nice supply area after a break of structure. Now I should have waited for it to come back here if it was trending up, but we are consolidating, as you can still see on in the 5-minute time frame. So it entered this, I lost the trade. The next trade is 753. Alright, so I entered here, and let's see how it plays out. Alright, so that's when this is where it hit my stop loss around 9:13. What was my mistake here? My mistake here is the fact that, of course, like I said, I was trading on a consolidation. But not only that, I do not have proper supply and demand. So take out this resistance and just trade with supply and demand. I shouldn't have entered this trade until it tapped this, or it broke through here, or even if it just breaks through here. Let's go to the 15-minute and see. Yeah. So it's pretty big. This was the last candle before the aggressive, well, what I wouldn't call it aggressive, but still it's a trend up. And now if you play it, you can see it broke through, tapped in, and then it started consolidating again. I should have waited, but now I have a valid setup, which is this going back to the supply and then selling, or go for a sell depending on the chart. We are still consolidating. On 30-minute we're consolidating. On the 15-minute we're we can refine it more basically, but we're still consolidating. There's a lot of consolidation. So once it's tap the supply. We'll see on one day if it actually does anything, and then I will enter the trade. But yeah, I will only enter the trade if it actually tapped my supply. Now there's a bunch of liquidity here, and then we have our fake supply zone here. So it's gonna push up here, tap this, and then we'll enter for a sell for a 1-to-3 ratio, which hopefully you should see on my next video. But right now I am down 277 or 2.7% on my 10k demo account. And yeah, hopefully I see you guys next time.